Hey everyone, welcome back to another amazing tutorial and thank you so much for clicking. If you're new here, welcome and please consider subscribing to the channel so that anytime we have a new upload, you'll get notified. In our today's video, we are going to learn how to crochet baby booties sole, and I hope you're going to enjoy this video to the end. Please remember to give it a like and share with friends if you find it helpful. And don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about it. So let's get into the video. With me here, I have standard measurements that I use when making shoe soles. And today we are making a size for 3 to 6 months old. And the length of the sole should be measuring about 4 to 4.13 inches. And the starting chains are 12. And that will give me a size 17. Okay, so here are the materials that we are going to need for this project. I'll be using robin yarn. It's 100% acrylic and it's a 4-ply yarn. And since it's a thin yarn, I'm going to double the strands to get the thickness that I want for this project. I'll need a 3.5mm crochet hook, scissors, and a darning needle. Yeah, so to start, make a slip knot and chain 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Once you have your starting chains, skip the first 2, yarn over, and into the third chain you're going to make 3 double crochets. That's 1, 2, and 3. And then we're going to continue making a double crochet in each and every chain until we have the last chain remaining. So double crochet in the next chain, in the next chain a double crochet all the way to the end. Now in the last chain we are going to make 6 double crochets. Two, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we have 6 double crochets. Pull this tail to make sure that the space is completely closed like that, and continue making 1 double crochet in each and every stitch on this other side, similar to what you did on this first side. Okay, so once you have 6 double crochets, go into the next space and make a double crochet. So you should have the same number of double crochets on each side. So on this side right here I have 8 double crochets, and I'm going to make 8 double crochets also on this side. Okay, so I am almost at the end of this round 1, and you remember the first 3 double crochets that we made. We are going to make 3 more double crochets in that same stitch or in that same chain. So this is 1, 2, and 3. And remember that while you're working on this side, you can carry along the tail so that you hide it as you crochet. Alright, so we have 6 double crochets in total, just like we have 6 double crochets on this other end. Now to complete the round, we are going to slip stitch in the very first stitch. Right, on to the next step, chain 1. In this round 2, we are going to make 2 single crochets in the first 3 stitches. So this is 2 single crochets in the first stitch, into the next stitch 2 single crochets, in the third stitch 2 single crochets. Sorry guys. And then in the next 4 stitches we are going to make 1 single crochet in each. 1, 2, 3 and 4. In the next stitch, make 1 half double crochet, and in the remaining 3 stitches we're going to make 1 double crochet in each. Alright, so now we are starting to make increases. You remember the first 6 double crochets that we made in the last chain, so in each double crochet we are going to make 2 double crochets. 1, 2. In the next 2 double crochets, in the next 2 double crochets. So continue making 2 double crochets in each stitch to the other side, the last 6th stitch. Right, so once you have total of 12 double crochets, 1 2 3 4 5 6, so we have made increases in the 6 double crochets that we made in our previous round. Now in the next 8 stitches we are going to repeat what we did on this side. So remember, right here we have 3 double crochets and then a half double crochet, then 4 single crochets, and then 2 single crochets in each stitch, the first 3 stitches. Now we start by making a double crochet in the next stitch, double crochet in the next, and double crochet in the next. So we have 3 double crochets, then a half double crochet, followed by a single crochet in the next 4 stitches. Right, so 1 2 3 4, and now we have 1 2 3 4. We have 3 stitches remaining. We are going to make 2 single crochets in each. 1 2, and the last stitch. Then we complete our round with a slip stitch in the very first stitch. So this is how our sole is looking like in the second round. And to make the third round we are going to chain 2. These 2 chains, they do not count as a stitch, so yarn over in this very first stitch, make 1 double crochet. In the next stitch make 2 double crochets. In the next stitch 1 double crochet, and then the next stitch 2 double crochets. Right, now we are going to make 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, 10, 11, 12. In the next 12 stitches, we're going to make 1 double crochet in each. Those are 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Once you have 12 double crochets in each stitch, in the next 8 stitches we are going to make increases. So in each stitch you make 2 double crochets. 1, 2, the next stitch, third stitch, in the next 4th stitch, in the next 6th stitch, in the next 7th, and the last, let me recount. Did I count well? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this is the 7th, and the last is the 8th stitch. Then in the next 12 stitches, make 1 double crochet just like you did on this first side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 'Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now in the next stitch we are making the increases just like we did on this first side. So in the next stitch we make 2 double crochets, followed by 1 double crochet in the next, followed by 2 double crochets in the next, and 1 double crochet in the last stitch. Then join with a slip stitch to complete the round. Right, and there we have our sole complete, and it's measuring about 4.13 right there. And that's about how many centimeters? Around 10.5 centimeters. Yeah, so it's that simple, very easy to make. Yeah, so I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial to this point. If you did, please give it a like and share with friends. Also leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about the tutorial. Until next one, bye.